Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing eyebrows tutorial. Most of the products that I'm going to be using are going to be Dollar Tree products. Yeah, the only thing that's not going to be Dollar Tree products will be my powder that I'm going to set my eyebrows with. So let me show you the items I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild eye pencil duo right here. It has the purple and the brown color, you know, so I don't know if the camera is doing it any justice. I think so, yeah. Okay, and then I'm using this concealer brush, you guys. I saw this at the Dollar Tree and it's so beautiful. Yes, look at it, so beautiful. Okay, and then I'm also going to be using the contour artist cream. Yeah, contour artist cream. So I'm going to be either using this shade or this shade right here to clean up my eyebrows, and basically that's it. So I'm going to wipe off my eyebrows. You guys, if you guys haven't picked up this wipes yet from the Dollar Tree, please do. It's 60 in here. This is the aloe vera extract makeup cream. It is, yes. Okay, so make sure you pick, you guys, you know, pick you some up, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. So what we're gonna do, and they're very thick too, look at it. Okay, this video is not sponsored, by the way. I have my fan behind me here, you guys, so bear me with the noise. So I'm trying to get all the grease out of my yeah. So this is the concealer brush, like I said, and yeah, this is really pretty, really pretty. And then we are going to be using this brown color. We'll just leave the other one there. So right here, so I barely have any eyebrows, you guys know that. I do have some to play with though, but not much. But so we're gonna use this and just gonna draw our eyebrows. So just watch me, basically. So now we are going to be using our concealer. I'm going to be using this shade. I'm gonna use this under here and then use this dark one for there. And if you feel like I feel like this eye is bigger than this one, you can always go back and, you know, just like that. So now I'm going to be using the darker one. So you can use this for your eyebrows, guys, not just for contouring or, you know, or coloring and do all of that. You can also use your foundation to clean up on top of your brows or bottom of your brows, whichever one you prefer to do, you know. So now I'm going to take this flat brush and try to get all of this demarcation, concealer, or a lot of this unwanted, you know, unblended, you know, so. So you guys, that is it. I didn't even use the powder that I wanted to use on my brows. I just used straight up Dollar Tree products, and that is it, guys. You can still get a flawless brows. Yeah, and like I said, you guys, that's it. next time I'll use my powder to, since I mentioned it on, you know, at the starting of the video, but I end up not using it now. I just went straight up. Yeah, so yes, you guys, that's basically it. Like I said, you can take a brush and just take most of the powder or concealer that you use off, but again, you know, so this side and this side, I think it's okay. It's always one eye that is different than the other. Always remember that. So you guys, that is it. So you guys, I only used what, 3 products. This one, the pencil, and then the cream. Yeah. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and you know, I don't know if, let me use this under my eyes and see if it will bring up my eyes, since it came with the you guys, my eyes is watery while I'm doing this, so it's not the best. Oh well, it is what it is, right? But you guys, so this is my tutorial for my eyebrows. I have different ways of doing eyebrows, you guys, so, but you know, alright guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.